I didn't mean to do it. I didn't mean to do it. Sorry, it's my fault. Sorry, it's my fault. Can you speak a little slower, please? Can you speak a little slower, please? Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Can you give me some advice? Can you give me some advice? What time is it? What time is it? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. How was your day? How was your day? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? Is everything all right? Is everything all right? I'm so tired today. I'm so tired today. Please be seated. Please be seated. When will you reach? When will you reach? I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Thank you for the advice. Thank you for the advice. What would you like to have? What would you like to have? What are you doing today? What are you doing today? Are you joining us? Are you joining us? I will try my best. I will try my best. Get ready to go to school. Get ready to go to school. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Everything is fine. Everything is fine. How old are you? How old are you? What is happening here? What is happening here? Stop kidding. Stop kidding. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry for the inconvenience. Will you please help me with this? Will you please help me with this? Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. What is your problem? What is your problem? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? How are you? How are you? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Talk to you later. Talk to you later. Come quickly. Come quickly. I don't know. I don't know. I'm feeling tired today. I'm feeling tired today. I will call you later. I will call you later. What do you mean? What do you mean? Have a good day. Have a good day. Good morning. Good morning.